Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are once again diving into the world of Fortnite, and I thought, let's make another helmet. In the game there is a helmet for one of the character skins that looks like Reptar from Rugrats and Barney had a baby, and I kind of like the style of it, so we are going to attempt to make the Rex helmet from Fortnite. Let's get to building. Rawr. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, I would say okay. It's not my best build ever. There are a couple of modifications I had to make, so that template I was working on to do the base isn't going to be much help for you, so I didn't even bother. The instructions would have been 20 pages long to try and show you how to modify it. But overall, you get the idea. He is a lot dirtier than the screen version because I like to make my props dirty. I think it's cooler when they're lived in. So you can make yours, paint yours how you'd like to. I decided to go with the dirtier, grimier, gringier look. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your T-Rex helmet building skills, because who doesn't want a dead dinosaur head that they can wear as a helmet? I mean, it's no weirder than the stuff behind me. Maybe you'll get some...
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. Alright. Guess it's feeding time. Oh.